Hello friends, welcome to my channel Botanical Studies. In this video, we will discuss about the fungus Penicillium. First, the systematic position of the fungus Penicillium. Penicillium belongs to kingdom Plantae, subkingdom Cryptogams, division Eumycophyta, class Ascomycete, subclass Ascomycete, order Aspergillus, family Aspergillaceae, genus Penicillium. Habit and occurrence of Penicillium. Penicillium is a saprophytic fungus and it grows on vegetables, fruits, clothes, leather, meat, paper, and many other moist and dead organic substratum. This fungus is commonly called as green or blue mold. Structure of Penicillium. The plant body of Penicillium is made up of mycelium, which is profusely branched, hyaline, and septate. The mycelium penetrates deeper into the substratum or grows superficial. The hyphal cells are thin-walled and composed of fungal cellulose or chitin. Each cell is with one or many nuclei. Reproduction in Penicillium. Penicillium reproduces by both asexual and sexual methods. First, asexual reproduction in Penicillium. It takes place by formation of conidia or conidiospores, which are developed on conidiophore. The conidiophores are branched, septate, and consist of multinucleate cells. On the terminal end of the branches of conidiophore, the bottle-like stigmatas are produced. They are uninucleate and bears uninucleate conidia in basipetal chains, that is, oldest conidiospores at the top and the youngest at the base. Each conidial chain has 100 or more conidia. The conidiophore and its branches appears like broom or brush. In Latin, it is known as penicillus. Hence, this fungus, the name is given as Penicillium. Each conidium is uninucleate and green. On liberation, the conidia get dispersed, and on getting suitable media and appropriate conditions for germination, they germinate by producing germ tube, which develops into new mycelia. Sexual reproduction in Penicillium. Sexual reproduction in Penicillium takes place rarely. Penicillium may be homothallic or heterothallic. That is, sex organ may arise either from the same or different mycelium. Male sex organ are known as antheridia and female sex organ are known as ascogonia. Ascogonium, that is female sex organ, is an elongated uninucleate structure. When young, it arises as a short erect protuberances from ordinary cell of mycelium. It elongates and its nucleus divides to form 32 or 64 daughter nuclei. Ascogonium in this stage is an elongated tubular non-septate and multinucleate structure. Antheridium also arises as a branch from mycelium called antheridial branch. It becomes spirally coiled around ascogonium. Antheridium is uninucleate in beginning and remains uninucleate always. The apical part of antheridial branch swells slightly and then cut off the rest of the hypa by a cross wall. This club-shaped terminal uninucleate cell is called antheridium. Dikaryoticization and plasmogamy. The tip of antheridium comes in contact with lateral wall of ascogonium. The wall gets dissolved and two protoplasts come in contact. Ascogonial nuclei arrange themselves in pair, get divided into number of cells. Each cell contains a pair of nuclei called dikaryon. Each binucleate cell of ascogonium is called ascus mother cell, in which karyogamy takes place. This fusion nucleus undergoes meiosis to form ascospores. This sexual structure becomes surrounded by vegetative fungal hyphae and formation of fruiting body called ascocarp or clistothecium. Pear-shaped asci soon dissolves and releases ascospores from clistothecium. Ascospore liberated free and germinate to form new mycelium. Life cycle of Penicillium. Penicillium is a saprophytic fungus and grows on dead organic substratum. Plant body of Penicillium is made up of mycelium, which is profusely branched, hyaline, and septate. Penicillium reproduces by both asexual and sexual methods. Asexual reproduction takes place by formation of conidia developed on conidiophores. Conidia germinate to produce new mycelium. Sexual reproduction takes place by formation of ascogonia and antheridia. After fertilization, it produces Cleistothecium, which contains many asci. In that, ascospores are present. After breaking the asci, ascospore liberated out and germinate to form new mycelium. Economic importance of penicillium. Penicillium is very useful for humankind. The wonder antibiotic drug penicillin is extracted from Penicillium notatum and Penicillium chrysogenum. Some species of penicillium produces organic acids such as citric acid, fumaric acid, oxalic acid, and gallic acid. Some species of penicillium are used in making cheese. Some species of penicillium are used for synthesis of dyes, citrinin, which is yellowish in color, imodic acid, which is orange in color, and spinulecin, which is blue-purple in color. Penicillium spoils many foodstuffs and other goods like furniture and leather. Some species cause dangerous diseases in humans and animals. This is all about penicillium.